everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you one of my favorite snacks. This is a sweet snack, a super easy, delicious, vegan, sugar-free, gluten-free dates, walnut chocolate in vegan chocolate. This is very delicious, worth trying it. Make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you how to correctly temper a chocolate, or at least how I'm tempering it, and it's okay for me. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. So for this vegan snack we would need 240 grams of vegan dark chocolate. I'm using Calebo 80%, organic walnuts. I have my own from my own garden, but you can find it in any store. And medjoul dates. These are the best ones. They are very chewy, super delicious, and they are sweet as well. So first step, what we would do, we would pit the dates. So just basically remove the stone from inside, yeah, and we are going to set them aside and remove all the stones. Okay, so our dates are removed, and make sure when you're removing the stone from inside that you are keeping their shape more or less, because we are going to replace the actual stone with walnut. Next step, we will put the walnuts, yeah, just break it in half, more or less like this, and place it inside the date. So as many dates you have, as many walnuts. I do have here about 15. Yeah, and make sure to place them back just like this for the shape of the date. So after we finished pitting the back with the walnuts, the dates, we will place them in the freezer just to chill until we will temper our chocolate to coat them on top. So now I'll show you my way of tempering chocolate using the temperature control. So I'm going to use a microwave. I'm going to transfer the chocolate into a bigger bowl, and I'm going to heat it in the microwave in about 20 seconds bursts for about 4 to 5 times to bring the chocolate up to 45 to 50 degrees, and after that I'm going to cool it down. So this is the consistency after 5 times of 20 seconds burst in the microwave. So make sure that you are not overheating it. Yeah, it's 4 to 5 times max. So you're looking for this shiny, like runny consistency of the chocolate. Okay, and now what we will do, we will stir this mixture to cool it down until about 27 to 28 degrees. This will take about 10 to 12 minutes, and if you are using a surface, marble surface like I do, this is going to be even faster because the marble is kind of cold, so it's going to help to cool this chocolate down. So I brought the chocolate until 28 degrees. You'll know that it's ready when you'll encounter like a kind of resistance from the chocolate, and if you take this ribbon, it's a continuous ribbon in the chocolate, and it's a bit sticky as well. So this is when actually you know that the chocolate is ready. It's almost ready. It's one step left. What we'll do now, we'll just put it in the microwave for about 10 to 12 seconds. We want to bring this chocolate until 30 degrees back. So now it goes in the microwave for about 10 to 12 seconds. So our chocolate is set. We'll remove the dates from the freezer. Yeah. And we are going to coat them in the actual chocolate and place them on a plate. So you just take one date, dip it in chocolate, remove it, and place it on the plate. And repeat the process for all the dates. So this was my recipe of super healthy, sugar-free, gluten-free, no baking involved dates and walnuts in chocolate. This is delicious and it's very, very healthy, and I'm enjoying it on a daily basis because basically this is a sugar-free snack, so it's super, super healthy as well. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, to give it a thumbs up, to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new and interesting video. So see you next time.